So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helene, and yes, I know that I've been absent for so long, and every time I say I'm back and better than ever, I know. If you guys didn't know, I had a beauty salon that I've opened, and it was so much work. I've enjoyed it, but my conclusion is it's just not for me. So I decided to continue without a beauty salon, but I'm still doing nails. And I'm focusing on courses. Now I'm going to be giving online courses. Also, they will be online soon. And also my web shop and all the products. And I'm back and better than ever on YouTube. Oh, and tomorrow we will be restocking a lot of products on the website. So also link in the description box below. So I have this beautiful set that I've did for this client. It's inspired by, I think, Snails by Cookie. I will put her Instagram in the screen or down below, so you can go and check her out. So beautiful and so cute. But before we go ahead and watch this video, if you don't follow me on social media, sis, go ahead, follow me on social media. I will put them here in the screen somewhere, so you can go ahead, follow me, and then come back and let's dive right into it.
Okay, so first we are starting off removing the old acrylic from the previous set. I'm using a tornado bit. I will put a link in the description box below, and make sure you just file everything down so you can see if you have any lifting or anything, and get the lifting off, and then you will continue to the other nail. Next, I'm pushing back the cuticles with a cuticle pusher, and I'm getting off the dead skin around the cuticle with our diamond bit cuticle pusher. I will also put the link in the description box below for you guys. Next, I'm cutting off the cuticles with my cuticle scissors from Stylex, and you guys, this is the most satisfying part. I just love doing this part, but you really have to know how to exactly do it. Now I'm using my sanding band to get the natural shine from the nail where it's grown out. And we also have the mini mandrel bit. It's also a really practical bit. They're all getting in stock back. Next, this is my holy grail. I'm using the combination of our nail prep and bonder with the combination of the nail prep and bonder from Mia's Secret. Girl, those nails are not moving. Okay, so now I'm doing the application with our Kolinsky brush. I'm using a number of 12 and just some clear acrylic. Now I'm using our crystal barrel bit to smooth out the surface of the nail. Now I'm also cleaning under the nail with our under nail cleaner bit, and I always say if your nails are pretty on top, they also need to be nice and clean from underneath. Now I'm using our hand file to shape the nails. Hey girly, if you're not subscribed yet but you're still here, girl, go ahead, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you know when I post the next time, okay? Okay. So make sure, especially with almond nails, that your shapes are consistent. Put them next to each other. Look if the length is the same, the shape is the same, because you really want a consistent set, and the nails have to be sisters and not cousins. Okay. Now I'm using our Sunny Juice with a little brush to get off all the dust and to disinfect the nails. Next, I'm using our liner brush with our 6-in-1 gel. This gel is not on our web shop yet. They will be online soon, and also the red gel polish that I'm going to use in this video, they are from our line but not online yet. I'm making like these swirlies, and I'm doing it one nail at a time so the gel doesn't go and level itself, and then you can't see the details anymore. So cure them when you're done with each nail. And yeah, the only thing about this set that I think the next time I will be doing different is I think I will be doing a red coat first. Then I'm going to mix our 6-in-1 red painting gel, red gel polish, with our red painting gel to make it the consistency, and then only coat it one time again with top coat, or maybe just one coat of the red gel polish over the design, because I really don't see the dimension and the details as I would like to. But I also like this design though. It came out so cool, but I would like to see just a little bit more dimension, and also especially now that I see it on camera, you just don't see the details as much as I would have liked. But I think this is a cool and nice design. I just really love it. After applying my first coat and curing it under the lamp, I'm going for a second coat. And while I'm doing a second coat, I'm also using our liner brush again to make a clean and crisp application of the gel polish at the cuticle area, and then cure it again. Then I'm going on with our top coat and cure it again. And then we have the final result. And this is the final result, you guys. Look at these pretty nails. These are a cake inspired nail design. I just like it, really love it. As I've already said, I will do just a little bit more coats over the design next time, but it came out so cool, especially with my phone you can see it better. Let me know what you think about this set, and if you are still here watching, comment a red heart in the comment section below so I know that you're still here and watching.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you've liked it. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this set and what you would like to see in my next videos. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, you know the drill, subscribe, turn on a notification bell so you will be the first one to know when I upload the next video. Okay guys, bye bye.